Hi, I'm Mark Hutchinson. I'm CEO at Hutchinson Engineering. I've had the desire to have a world-class welding and fabrication facility. That's very evident if you'll come for a look around our facility, where we have the best equipment, the best people, the best IT to create a fantastic working environment for you, a welder fabricator. Right from the table that you work on to the IT screens, dust extraction and the best equipment. That's supported by a fantastic team around you, we feel is a really good combination. And we feel that people are a key asset in our business, and we want to invest in people as well.
Hello, my name is Sam. I've worked at Hutchinson Engineering for 3 years, and no 2 days have been the same. I get the opportunity to work on a wide range of different fabrications, from fuel tanks to conveyors, to crushers, power units, chassis, agricultural work, and even gym equipment. The facilities are first class, and we are provided with electronic drawings, air-fed welding masks, high calibre welding sets, Sigma welding benches, gym cranes and overhead cranes. The team is very, very professional. Any assistance that I've needed from anybody, I've been more than welcome to it. Any quality issues, the quality team is outstanding. Even if you need a lift or something onto the bench, I'm sure if Mark walked past, he wouldn't say no. It wouldn't. That's basically the way it is. If somebody's there, they're more than willing to give you a hand.
So if you join our team, you'll be made feel welcome from the very first day that you step in through the door. So if you'd like to have the best opportunity to have a great working environment, you'd be very welcome to join our team.